In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted WhatsApp call history without backup. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to recover deleted calls on WhatsApp, then what you have to do is to click and hold on this WhatsApp's logo. Go to app info, click on storage and cache, and then click on this clear cache option. Once you have done that, close your phone settings and go to your file manager. Go to all files, internal storage, Android, media, com.whatsapp, WhatsApp, and then go to databases. Select all these files, click on copy, and go back to the previous folder, and then go to backups. Now paste all those files here, and that's it. Once you have done that, your deleted WhatsApp call history will be recovered without backup. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.